Standard volume. Standard pressure. Gasket included. 3/4 inch screen inlet. Cast iron. Oil pump, wet sump, internal, standard volume, 3/4 in inlet, driveshaft included, small block Chevy, each. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome. Better than the HV pumps. Installed this pump in my new race engine and has always had good pressure. I trust these pumps over the HV pumps. I had an issue with a HV pump where the pressure regulator spring malfunctioned, causing it to blow oil filter gasket off and dump the oil. After researching online, I learned this was a pretty common problem with the HV pumps.